Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Adams, and Miss Barton and I wanted to show you how to um, enroll in the at-home learning course for Canvas for Algebra. Um, we're going to start out by going to AISD.net, and you'll see here where it says At-Home Learning Hub. Hopefully most of you have explored that or looked at that. So if you'll go to the At-Home Learning Hub, many of you may have already enrolled in the 8th grade course, but unfortunately the algebra, regular 8th grade students don't take algebra, and so that 8th grade course does not have algebra in there for the math. So what you need to do is once you go to the at-home learning lab hub, scroll all the way down, and then you can click on 9th grade. And then once you click on 9th grade, you'll see it says Phase 2 Canvas. You want to scroll down to where it says Martin High School. So right here we've got Martin High School. We're going to click on that link and we're going to enroll in that course. Now I've already enrolled in it. Whoops, it's going to ask for your rapid identity. So make sure, let's see if this works. Ah. I'm going to go to Canvas. Okay, so I've already enrolled in this, but over here on the right-hand side, you should see an option that says Enroll in Course. So if you will click on that, and then go to the course. And so what I want to show you is then down here, you have your subjects. Obviously, click on math. That's all we're focused on. Unless for some reason you happen to be in biology, you could also use this for biology. But click on math. And then you'll see Algebra 1. So this is where you would click to and where you would go to get your math courses. Okay. And then it's got activities and lessons. But what I want to show you is if I go back to my dashboard in my Canvas, I've got lots of classes in here, but right here, here's the Martin High School at-home learning page. So that's where you're going to get your Algebra 1 lessons for right now. And then you'll also should have one that says 8th grade at-home learning where you'll go for your other class.